In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create A+ content for KDP. Now, this can be used on every type of book that you may have on KDP. What I'm going to show you today is free. It is a great way to showcase your brand and the interior of your books. With A+ content, you can also add links to your other books. Welcome to One Bag Coaching. My name is Neil. Let's get started. I'm going to show you now a dinosaur colouring book on Amazon, and as you can see, it's got the look inside content. However, what you see here, you have no control over. Amazon puts this here and you can't change it. As we scroll down the page, you'll see there's some additional images that's been put here by the publisher. This is a great way to show other interiors that are not shown by the look inside feature. This is called A+ content. How do we get A+ content? Well, we go to our Kindle Direct Publishing log-on page and we go to Marketing. Then we scroll down the page on the left-hand side and you'll see A+ content. Now, A+ content has a lot of resources to assist you and get you started using A+ content. And let's start by looking at some of these resources that are available. There's a guide here on A+ content guidelines. Create A+ content instructions. And A+ content examples. Now, there are lots of information there for you to find. There's also a search area if you need to find something that's not there, and a video for you to watch as well. You can also go to the guidelines from this page and also view the examples that they provide. As we can see, scrolling down the list here, there is a lot of information to assist you and some good examples as how to set up your A+ content. And you can have photos, logos, timelines. You can have split images like the one below here. And the images can have text on them as well. There's quite a variety of layouts that you can use as part of your A+ content module. And it's just a matter of choosing the modules that suit your page. If these are just examples, you need to do the artwork yourself. Now, on the right-hand side here of A+ content, we also have the marketplace. As you can see, it's available in most of the marketplaces on Amazon. In this instance, we're going to go to amazon.com and we're going to manage A+ content here. And the main reason we use this one, this is where we mainly sell our books in the US. So we're going to start by putting in a content, book 1. And then I'm going to apply a module. Now I have a whole stack of modules to choose from here, different designs. You have some with images on their own, some with images and text, some a combination. I'm going to use this one here, which is one of the largest images you can use. Now, as you can see, you can put in a headline, you can give your content a heading. I'm going to type in a headline here. I'm going to type in Kangaroo Stew Publishing, a fictitious brand that I used in a previous video, just to give you an idea. And you'll see 970 by 600. That's the size of the image we have to create. We can also put in a further headline, and also we can put in text down the bottom here. Good place to put your bio or any other information you want to tell your customers. Let's go over to Canva and I'll show you how to create that image. We type in a custom size and we're looking at 970 by 600, and that's got to be pixels. Now, Canva is great for doing logos like this or doing any artwork for A+ content because you can make the size exactly the right size to fit in. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of templates that we can choose, and we can modify any of these. As you see, the one with the crown on it, that means it's for the pro account. You've got to have the paid account on Canva. Otherwise, you can just use the free templates. We'll use a free one here, and we'll just modify that to make it our own. KS for kangaroo stew. I bet someone takes this and uses it. It's only fictitious, so I don't use it myself. Okay. Just remove these. And let's find an image. Again, Canva has a great selection of clip art that we can use when creating our artwork. All right, there's quite a few stews there. We just grab that top one. And that's about right. That looks okay. All right. All right, now we've got to download it. And as we download, we just check it's a PNG and that the size is still 970 by 600. Download that. Okay. Back over to Amazon. And now we're going to add this module again. Show you step by step that we go down to the one that I chose, the large one there, the one that allows me to put in a 970 by 600 image. Just a matter of clicking on the image, or you can drag the image into here, selecting the image, and it uploads. And we have another little area here where we can put in keywords. I'm just going to put in kangaroo stew publishing. I'm not certain at this stage whether these keywords are searchable, but they're here to be used, so let's use them. So here we are. We have now a banner. I can put more in the text there. I can put a headline up there. Just preview that, make sure it works. That looks pretty good. We can also preview it on mobile size, how it would appear on a mobile phone. Back to desktop. And we can add more modules. So now, you've got a whole choice from this list here of what additional ones you would like to have on your page. This one here allows you to put your books in and link their ASIN, so they're also clickable from your product page. This one allows you to put in 4 photos and with headlines and descriptions. It's just endless what you can do to make your product page look good and show more content in order to sell more books. This one here allows you for a picture on the right-hand side and text here. So you might want to showcase a particular book. You can do it there. All right. You can arrange the order with the arrows there, and once you're happy with that, you then have to apply an ASN. I'm not going to type one in here, but that's where you put the book ASIN number in, and then you link it to that, and then you then review and submit. And then once that's clicked and goes through, it's approved. I usually find that after you've submitted the request, the first time it can take up to 72 hours. After that, it's usually approved immediately and can appear on your page within an hour or so. I'm now going to show you a gratitude journal on Amazon. And the reason I'm doing this is to show you, as you can see, this journal doesn't have the look inside feature. So in comparison, this journal also does not have the look inside feature, but if we scroll down the page, you will see that there is information here about what's inside the book. Now, the publisher here has used A+ content using the 970 by 600 pixel images to put 3 images in the book to showcase this journal, and that will help with sales. So as I've shown you, A+ content can really showcase your book. It is a great way to add additional information and pictures inside your product page in order for your book to sell. Without A+ content, you are not standing out from the crowd. You're just like every other book that is selling on Amazon. You really need to use A+ content to make your brand stand out, and the work that you've done to create your books really showcase here. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to create a colouring book using Canva from scratch with no cost at all. I hope to see you then, and thank you for watching.